little lawnmower engine in there?
A 9.5 litre big block Chevy running on alcohol. It does 56 yards to the gallon.
Shut the front door. How many horsepower is this thing?
1,800.
And did we mention about the fuel? Is it diesel or electric?
No, it runs on alcohol, which is methanol.
Savage. Listen, I'm doing a terrible job of this. Should we let Alan do his thing? Come on, Alan. Oh, any questions from the crowd while he gets strapped in? Yeah? You, young man.
How much does it cost?
That's the one. Alan, how much does it cost?
£250,000.
£250,000. Next person.
Yeah. How long did it take to create?
How long did it take to build, Alan?
About 9 months.
How many times do you have to rebuild it, Alan?
Several.
Any more questions while I'm down this end? Well, listen, enjoy what Alan's got in store for you, and make sure you stick around for the Wurzels tonight. And thanks everyone for coming.